In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a course from Coursera. If you're looking to simplify your online learning journey or just want to declutter your course list, I've got you covered. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log in to your Coursera account. Start by heading over to the Coursera website and entering your login credentials. This could be your username or email and, of course, your password. Once you've done that, a quick click on the login button should take you straight to your account's homepage. Now you should see the Coursera homepage displaying a selection of courses that you've enrolled in. Typically, these are shown prominently on your dashboard, making them easy to spot. Scroll through your list and locate the specific course that you wish to remove. It's helpful to take a moment to ensure you're selecting the correct course, especially if you have a large number of enrollments. Next to each course, you should notice something akin to a More button, often represented by 3 horizontal dots. It's quite unobtrusive, but crucial for managing your courses. Clicking on this will open up a small menu with several options. Among these, you will see the option to Unenroll. Go ahead and click that. At this stage, Coursera will usually ask you to confirm your decision. This step is in place to prevent any accidental unenrollments, as it's important to verify such actions. Simply confirm that indeed you wish to unenroll from the course. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a course from your Coursera account. This can really help in maintaining a tidy course list and ensuring you're only focused on what matters most to your educational goals. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps others discover this content so they can benefit too. Also, consider subscribing to this channel if you'd like more tutorials and tips about online learning platforms and more. Be sure to hit the bell icon as well, so you're notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you have a streamlined and fulfilling learning experience on Coursera. See you next time.